In this video, I'll show you how to turn a single image into a talking character with infinite talk, an open-source, audio-driven video generation model, all running inside ComfyUI. I'll walk you through the process step by step and include all model files and the workflow in the description. Start by downloading the workflow and loading it into ComfyUI. You might see the some nodes are missing warning. If that happens, click Install All Missing Nodes and wait for ComfyUI to finish. Make sure you have ComfyUI Manager installed, since it's required for installing nodes. Once it's done, there should be no red nodes left in your workflow. Next, download the model files. First, the image-to-video diffusion model, about 16 gigabytes. Place it in ComfyUI, Models, Diffusion Models folder. Second, the audio-to-video diffusion model, about 2.6 gigabytes, also goes in ComfyUI, Models, Diffusion Models folder. Third, the clip vision model, about 1.2 gigabytes. Place it in ComfyUI, Models, Clip Vision folder. Fourth, the text encoder, about 6.5 gigabytes. Place it in ComfyUI, Models, Text Encoders folder. And fifth, the VAE, about 0.25 gigabytes. Place it in ComfyUI, Models, VAE folder. After this, choose your image. My image is 832 by 480, so I'll enter those values into the width and height nodes. Then upload your audio file and set the audio end time in the audio crop node, making sure it matches your audio length. Next, enter the number of frames in the multi-infinite talk wave 2vec embeds node. You get this number by multiplying your video length with the frame rate. In this example, 19 times 25 equals 475. And then enter a prompt. Keep it simple. Then hit Run to start generation. The first time you generate a video, the Download Wave 2vec model node will automatically download a model, so be patient. This only happens once. On my RTX 3090, generation takes about 1 minute per second of video. For this example, it took 19 minutes and 6 seconds. This tutorial covered single-talker image-to-video generation. If you'd like tutorials on multiple people talking or video-to-video generation, let me know in the comments, and I'll make those if there's enough interest. In this video, I'll show you how to turn a single image into a talking character with infinite talk, an open-source, audio-driven video generation model, all running inside ComfyUI. I'll walk you through the process step by step and include all model files and the workflow in the description.